What's up, guys? Finally the 240 is falling in the right direction. I can't wait. I will be working with Randy and he will be helping me out to build the engine and installing the engine and get that car up and running again on the street. He was the one who built the RB20 for the R32 Skyline on the last episode. So if you have not checked that out yet, just go ahead and check it out. Randy and I have been friends since middle school. He's always been a good-hearted, gifted, and a kind person. He had to help a lot of people, especially in the car scene, but not just out of a homeboy's garage or inside the shop, but also pitted for Nikolai and Formula Drift events back in the early 2000s. He even did the swap for my first Project 240. But without further ado, let's go ahead and open this box that I got today. I'm very excited because this is my first time buying a turbo for myself. So let's open it up together. Let's go. So the place is such a mess here. And let me go ahead and grab a knife. Almost forgot to block this out. Okay. Alright. There's that. Okay. Okay. Here we are. Dude. Lots of phones. That's cool. That's a good sign. And there we go. And then we see it here. OEM Nissan Sylvia S15. I hope you guys can see a little bit of it. So, that's too much stuff. Oh well, it's gonna be messy. Whatever. Ugh. Okay, let's do it this way. Sevens for everything, right? Sweet! Yeah! Oh, came with a Garrett shirt too as well. That's cool, man. That's extra large. It's not even my. Oh well. Sick, dude. Okay. Let's go ahead. That's what it looks like when it's messy. I mean, there you go. Dude, that's so freaking sick. I can't wait to install this in. I'm gonna open it up and I'm actually gonna be comparing with the old T25 that I had, the old turbo. So I'm gonna compare it side by side and give you guys a little bit more reviews on it. So yes, Garrett turbo OEM S15 from an S15 spec-r. So, and this is made in Japan. Alrighty.
So, what is it?
For you to clean.
No!
Can you please clean that? Put it in the box, please. Is that cool? You can have the shirt, but it's extra large.
Can I put it in here?
Yes, please. That's perfect. Thanks, guys. Love you guys.
Peanut!
Ciao.
Peanut.
Ciao. Alright, so let's continue on. I am gonna go ahead and open it here in my room. And let's go. Damn. Sealed with Japan foam. Cool. What the? There it is, guys. Looking great. Looks good. I don't know what this is yet, but it could be gaskets. So hopefully they came with the OEM gasket, but probably not. More than likely I'm gonna buy the kit for it. So let's go ahead and jump on this. Dude, this is like way bigger and heavier than the it's slight bigger. Oh, actually, yeah, it is bigger than the T25, and it's slight heavier too as well. So, dude, this shit looks so. This thing looks so good. Okay, cool. So it did came with the gaskets. So you got your 5-bolt, and you got your 4-bolt gasket too. So that's freaking awesome. Oh my gosh, guys! Can't believe it's here. Can't believe it's really happening. Dude, definitely recommend you guys to upgrade with the T28. Just kind of staying with the stock spec on my motor here. So this is great. And you know how you can tell if it's a T28 turbo is when you actually let me see. If you see that little, if you can see that little guide right there, this line, because the T25 didn't have that, but the T28, when you upgrade to the T28, you actually see that little guide right there. Kind of separates and covers from the exhaust valve right there, or from that valve on the other side, so from the turbine to the valve. So yeah, that's freaking sick. I can't wait to put it on. So just gotta buy a little bit more parts for it before I can actually even put it and mount it to the engine. So all right, that's it, guys. Show you a little bit about turbo. Pretty cool, right?
This one looks like a Snail.
So I guess we're gonna just size comparison and a little bit of difference. This turbo right here is T25, and my brand new spec-r T28 that I'm installing in for my SR20. And I guess I'm gonna be taking out the elbow on that one first. It's a lot better for me to just show you guys the shaft play on the old T25.
I want to carry the small one.
I gotta take this off first.
So it's not heavy?
Hold that, take this off, man. This metal right here. Yeah, take it out. Good job. Alright.
It's kind of heavy.
It is pretty heavy. See,
Put
I
it
told
right
you.
here.
Okay. So now we can compare each one.
I want to carry this.
On here. Okay. So it's heavy,
Yes,
don't you?
heavy.
So you can see how this one is like. Let me tell you real quick.
It's so strong to me, Daddy.
Okay. Okay. Let's take a better view. This is the T25, and I don't know if you can see, I'm using my lens here so you guys can actually see the little wiggle there. And comparing this one, there's nothing at all. Nope, no movement at all. This one just see the wiggle right there. Yeah. Well, that sucks, but on to the new one. And from T25 to T28, And also we can show you the back, the difference in the back of this turbo. The back. As you can see, there's a little guide right there in between the valve and the turbo. This one's nothing, doesn't come with that. That's a T25. The S15 one does come with the little guide right there, so it's pretty cool. Yep, I can't wait. It's clean, man. So that's the difference. So basically I just need to get the oil feed, new oil feed, and this tube too as well. So thanks for helping me, Lloyd. Good job.
I don't think I did anything.
No, you helped me. I took off the elbow off the old turbo. All right, let's go. We are at Randy's pad right now, so I'm gonna go and knock on his window. Oh, it's like sleeping probably, but time to wake his ass up anyway. So, all right. You know it's coming through. What's up, man? Let's go to my mom's house and check out the SR20, alright? Okay, so now we're here to check the SR. My boy Randy is gonna do this. Alright, go ahead. And it's a little sunny outside now, but it's still cold, to be honest. That's Washington life for you. Here, my little shop stepping in to do the magic for this 240SX, and here is the motor.
So
I'm gonna make a list today.
What we're missing.
Okay. Looking familiar, right?
Did you take your TPS off?
No.
No.
Yeah, it should be the same.
No, I'm gonna.
I did take this out,
Yeah,
but it's
I'm
not tight all the way.
Adjust it anyway,
Okay.
So.
I did replace this one too as well.
Okay. Yeah, your injectors. Did you get them serviced or anything?
No,
or?
not at all.
Okay.
So.
Well, maybe if we get there, we'll take it to the injector place, get
Okay.
it serviced at least.
Okay.
To make sure that they're all the same, because it does help.
It does, right?
Yeah. Just got a cracked injector. It'll,
Pretty much like tune up everything in this
one
motor.
injector flowing more than 10% more than the other one.
Yeah.
And vice versa.
Everything's pretty much original in this, but I did change the I think the coolant hoses and stuff. All inside, it's all brand new in there too. This one is cleaned up. So yeah, injectors need to
You probably service them.
service them.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, we could just fire them up. We could just fucking run it.
And then
when we're doing anything much more, we'll just get it running first.
okay, yeah, like just do it that
Yeah,
way.
after
for
we
now.
get it running, we'll pop the injectors out, get them serviced. But,
Sounds good, man. Dude, it's been like I think it's been like what 7 years since I've had this motor, bro. Like since LA,
Sitting around.
it's been sitting around.